Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.
This is not a dream.
Yo soy Dan Macario. Me gustaría agradecer mis brazos por estar siempre a mi lado, mis piernas por siempre apoyándome y mis dedos porque siempre puedo contar con ellos, especialmente a mi dedo medio por siempre apuntado arriba para mí cuando lo necesitaba. Today is a very special day as I am celebrating a milestone for reaching 1,000 subscribers on my channel. And I have invited some friends to drop by for dinner. In line with this celebration, I will be creating my own version of the Gold Play Button Award in this video. This award is given by YouTube for creators with 1 million subscribers. But hey, that's way too far to go, or I may not be able to reach it. So I'm creating my own version right now. Before we begin, let's do another magic trick. Learn how to do it at the end of the video. First, I edited this template using Word and had it printed. Then I bought a couple of picture frames. One of them is 8 by 11 inches. Use a black and white template to help you cut out the mounting board. Using a styrofoam as a mounting board, but you can also use rubber mat or wooden board. It's easiest to cut through styrofoams than any other materials. I'll be using just the glass on this small photo frame. I'll be painting the glass using this gold spray paint. But the problem with styrofoam is it will melt with a gas-based spray paint. So I had to make another button using rubber and got it painted. This template is printed on a photo paper. You may use yellow or gold ribbons to cover the sides of the hole. Now using a hot glue gun, I'll be attaching all the pieces. Time to glue the button. It's optional if you want to add the matting. It's also important to clean both sides of the glass. The final part would be the frame. Don't forget the protective cover. And you're done. You now have your own version of the Gold Play Button Award. I set it as a wallpaper on my watch so I can always see it. Now for the magic reveal. You need to have some rubber bands and a fake thumb made out of rubber. You can buy it online. Just hide it on your left hand and stock all the rubber bands inside that fake thumb. Just make sure there's enough space for your right thumb to fit in. Watch out for the final phase of solving the Rubik's Cube on my next video. Keep on watching.